Hi, my name is Darrick Robbins. I work in the Chicago market for Torrey Irrigation. Today we're going to talk for a little bit about what happens if a sprinkler won't turn on. Basically, there's a few major issues that you could have if the sprinkler won't turn on. If it won't turn on from a satellite or from a GDC system, you may not be getting voltage to the solenoid. That's the first thing to check. If you don't have voltage to the solenoid, the sprinkler won't actuate. The other issue that might be occurring is that something in the pilot valve may be keeping it from releasing the water from the foot valve. That could be a piece of debris in the pilot valve, it could be a piece of debris in this tube, or a piece of debris between the foot valve and the end of this tube. The easiest way to check that initially is to actually dig up the pilot valve and pull this tube off just momentarily to see if the sprinkler comes on. If you pull the tube off and the sprinkler does come on, then you know your issue is up here in the pilot valve, and the pilot valve can be either cleaned out or replaced. If the issue is not resolved by pulling the tube off, then you need to start looking in the tube itself or in the body to see if there's an obstruction. An obstruction would keep the sprinkler from turning on. So those are the major issues that you would see with a sprinkler if it doesn't turn on.